Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations.
Today, we've got something special for all you Hyundai Elantra owners out there.
We're talking about the best wiper blades for your beloved ride.
Feast your eyes on these bad boys, the 3 wipers replacement for 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra, 2013 to 2017 Hyundai Elantra GT. Windshield wiper blades by Rooppa.
Trust me, if you're in the market for new wiper blades, you won't want to miss this review. Now, let's dive into why these wiper blades are making waves in the automotive world. First off, these wiper blades are 100% brand new and designed as a direct OEM replacement. That means you're getting top-notch quality that matches the wipers that came with your Hyundai Elantra from the factory. They are specifically tailored to fit 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra and 2013 to 2017 Hyundai Elantra GT models. No more worries about compatibility issues. These wipers are designed to fit like a glove. Now, let's talk performance.
These wiper blades are engineered for a long service life, providing a quiet and smooth operation. They'll clean your front windshield thoroughly, ensuring clear visibility no matter the weather conditions. These are true all-weather and all-season wiper blades. Worried about complicated installations? Don't be. These wiper blades are incredibly easy and simple to change. It's a plug-and-play setup, and we'll show you how straightforward it is later in the video. The durability of these wiper blades is outstanding, and Rooppa offers a 1-year warranty. That's right, you're covered for any unexpected issues that might arise. Now, let's take a closer look at these wiper blades and discuss some additional details. The Rooppa wiper blades come with a top lock and U-J-hook, ensuring a secure and hassle-free installation. Made from natural rubber, they provide excellent wiping performance in various weather conditions.
The package includes 3 wipers, with sizes 28 inches, 14 inches, and 13 inches. Perfect for your front windshield and ensuring a complete and effective clean. These wiper blades are available on Amazon.com for just $23.99. Plus, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can snag them for an even better deal at $21.59. And hey, that's for a set of 3.
So, to sum it up, the 3 wipers replacement for Hyundai Elantra by Rooppa offer exceptional quality, perfect fit, outstanding performance, easy installation, and a great price point. Whether you're driving in the rain, snow, or blazing sunshine, these wipers have got you covered. If you want to upgrade your Hyundai Elantra with the best wiper blades on the market, click the link in the description below to get yours today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic reviews like this.
Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Stay safe on the road, and we'll catch you in the next video.